Good day, everyone. Today, we are going to discuss the digestive system, part 1, because we are just going to focus on digestion, mechanical stage, chemical stage, and the mouth. Food cannot be immediately used by your body. It must be first digested. And when we say digestion, it is the breakdown of large insoluble food molecules into small water-soluble food molecules so that they can be absorbed into the watery blood plasma. In certain organisms, these smaller substances are absorbed through the small intestine into the bloodstream. We have two main functions of the process of digestion. First, to break down large pieces of food into tiny particles. Second, to break the tiny particles of food into molecules. These molecules can be dissolved into body fluids and pass through the cell walls to be used by the cells. The digestive process is divided into two stages. 1. Mechanical stage and 2. Chemical stage. Mechanical stage. The mechanical stage of digestion is performed by the teeth and tongue, through the contractions of stomach, and through the movement of the intestines. Mechanical processes break up foods by means of tearing, biting, cutting, grinding, and mashing them into a very fine mixture. This paste exposes the large number of smaller food particles to the absorbing surfaces of the digestive system. Now, let's move on with the chemical stage. Just breaking the food down into small particles does not make it digestible. It has to be changed to a more soluble form. Enzymes found in the digestive system constitute the chemical stage. Digestive enzymes are fluids that hasten the chemical reactions needed to break down starch into a simpler form called glucose, protein into amino acids, and fats into fatty acids. During digestion, food passes through a long tube-like structure. This tube is called the alimentary canal. It begins in the mouth and ends at the anus. We have 6 major organs of the digestive tract. Please see the illustration on where these are located. Number 1, mouth. 2, esophagus. 3, stomach. 4, small intestines. 5, large intestines. And 6, anus. And we have 4 accessory organs, and these are salivary glands, pancreas, liver, and gallbladder. Now let's move on with the mouth. Food passage begins in the mouth. Mechanical digestion starts here at the teeth chew and grind food. They cut chunks of food into smaller pieces. Several secretions are also added to food in the mouth. Mucus, which moisten the food, comes from the cells lining the mouth. Mucus makes food easier to swallow. 3 pairs of salivary glands add saliva to the food. Like mucus, saliva lubricates the food, and it also contains the enzyme amylase. Amylase breaks down starch into a smaller sugar called maltose. The tongue is a muscular organ. It moves the food so it can be chewed by the teeth. It also pushes food to the back of the mouth when you swallow. The process of swallowing involves a complex muscular action. First, Food is forced into the large area of the back of the mouth called the pharynx. From the pharynx, the muscles push the food down the throat. The food passes the point where the air passage to the lungs branches from the food tube. A structure called the epiglottis closes over the air passage each time you swallow. This prevents food from entering the lungs. Thank you for listening. Enjoy learning. Bye!